Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
PC guide how to enable autocorrect. So here I'll be giving you instruction on how to enable your autocorrect. So first thing you need to do is you need to be at your settings here at your PC. Once you're here at your settings, all you need to do is click on devices. After clicking on devices, you can head over to the left side corner. You will see just below mouse typing. Press on typing. After pressing on typing, you'll be located here. How can we able to autocorrect like in our cell phone? What we need to do is just check this. Show text suggested as I type. And autocorrect misspelled words as words I type. There you go. Now we're gonna pop this up. Watch this. We're gonna type something. We're gonna type um, wrong spelling of banana. Banana. As you can see, it's gonna fix us. Bananas. Banana. Right there. And it can also finish our sentence for us. For example, banana bread and cheese and the other thing that I can be used for a few days ago. I had great time to go to point of day after the fast time I am. There you go. You can just keep going. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's how you enable your autocorrect on your PC. Now to disable it, just do the same thing. Just turn off this. But if you still want to autocorrect misspelled word I type, you can still leave it on. But whenever you can type, for example, banana, see, um, the autocorrect is now gone. There you go. As you see, banana. As you see right there, banana. There's no autocorrect or what. But if you open that, you show the right word. There you go. Banana. Then enter. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's how you enable it. So now we're just gonna disable it. So there. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type it down in the comment section below. If you have any questions, we will answer as fast as possible, guys. And there you go, guys. Thank you, guys.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.